In today's digital landscape, businesses rely on data driven insights to enhance user experience and optimize website and app performance. Understanding how users interact with a platform is critical to identifying pain points, improving conversions, and delivering seamless digital experiences. This is where FullStory, a leading session replay and analytics tool, becomes invaluable. FullStory enables businesses to track user interactions, analyze behaviors, and uncover friction points that may be negatively impacting engagement. With features like session replays, heat maps, funnel analytics, and AI powered insights, it provides companies with actionable data to make informed decisions. So, whether you're in e commerce, SaaS, finance, or digital marketing, Full Story offers deep visibility into the customer journey. In this video, we'll explore Full Story effectively, covering key features, benefits, and why it's an essential tool for businesses aiming to optimize their digital experience. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the session replay for user behavior analysis. Full Story records every user session, allowing you to watch real time interactions as if you were sitting next to the user. This feature helps businesses visualize how users navigate the site, where they face difficulties, and what actions lead to conversions or drop offs. This helps identify usability issues quickly, reducing customer frustration and improving retention rates. Another key feature is the heat maps and click tracking. FullStory provides heat maps that display user interaction patterns, including where users click, scroll, and spend the most time. These insights highlight which elements attract attention and which may need optimization. This enables data-driven UI/UX improvements, ensuring high-impact design changes. Another key feature is the funnel analytics to reduce drop-offs. With conversion funnel tracking, FullStory lets you analyze where users abandon a process, such as checkout or form submissions. It pinpoints problem areas that may be causing users to leave before completing a desired action. This helps optimize conversion pathways and improve sales or lead generation. Another key feature is the AI powered insights and anomaly detection. Full Stories AI driven insights detect unusual user behaviors, technical errors, or sudden drop offs in engagement. These alerts help businesses address potential issues before they escalate. This improves proactive issue resolution, reducing lost revenue due to unnoticed problems. Another key feature is the integration with other tools. FullStory integrates with various platforms like Google Analytics, Slack, Jira, HubSpot, and Segment, ensuring seamless data flow between marketing, development, and customer service teams. This enhances collaboration and streamlines workflows by connecting insights across departments. So, why is Full Story a great choice? FullStory stands out due to its comprehensive approach to digital experience analytics. Unlike traditional analytics tools that rely solely on numbers and metrics, FullStory provides qualitative insights through session replays and heat maps, making it easier to understand user frustration points. Additionally, FullStory's AI powered capabilities help teams automate insights, detect anomalies, and optimize conversion rates without manual data crunching. This makes it a preferred choice for businesses looking to enhance their digital experience, reduce churn, and improve overall user engagement. So basically, FullStory is a powerful tool for businesses seeking to refine their digital customer experience. Its ability to track user behavior, identify pain points, and provide actionable insights makes it a must have for organizations focused on growth and retention. By leveraging features like session replace, heat maps, and AI driven analytics, teams can enhance usability, optimize conversion funnels, and make data backed decisions. For any business aiming to stay ahead in the competitive digital space, FullStory offers a holistic and intelligent approach to understanding user interactions. Start using FullStory today to improve engagement, increase conversions, and create seamless digital experiences for your users. So if you need more information about FullStory, you can always visit their website, which is fullstory.com. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information, such as features and products that I haven't mentioned. And of course, you can always view their plans and pricing. So as you can see right here, they have four different plans. So this is the three basic plans, which is the business, advanced, and enterprise. And from here, you can always scroll down and compare all of the features of each plan. And of course, always make sure to select the plan that has all of your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.